Hello everyone, dear friends. You're with Assistance TV, a YouTube channel for the whole family. In the last video I made a top 3 spinners for guys, but I became curious about what our parents used to play with. So I put together a little selection. So, in first place we have the spinning top, which is made from a button and a piece of string. The main point is to thread the string through 2 holes in the button, placing them parallel to each other, and tie it all in a knot. You need to tie it tightly so that it doesn't break. And the string should also be strong enough, but at the same time thin. We take our construction and wrap it around ourselves. As you can see, and by spreading your arms, it starts to spin. It spins very fast and makes a loud noise. Guys, another way to make such a spinning top is from 2 caps from a plastic bottle. We need to glue them together, either with hot glue or any other type of glue. And then carefully using a hot nail, make holes parallel to each other on both sides. Well, and then everything repeats itself. Just like with buttons, we thread them using a toothpick or even a very thin stick. We tie our thread into a knot, and our barrel also rotates well. It rotates even faster, but due to the fact that it is voluminous, it rotates a little better. But the appearance, guys, it's a little better. Such a cool toy. In second place is a homemade spinning top that you can spin even on your palms, on your skin, and do some tricks with it. But I haven't learned how to do tricks yet, but I can just throw it. It spins pretty cool. Guys, you can make a few of them and play with your friends. Making a spinning top is really simple. For this we need a plastic cap and a toothpick. On the bottom of the cap there's a star shape that's right in the center of the cap. It's in this star shape where we need to make a hole, either with a drill or a hot nail. It's much easier and faster with a hot nail. Now we insert the toothpick into it. If necessary, we can glue it with regular glue or hot glue. And we spin our top. The top spins really well. You can play a game where your top knocks down someone else's. Well, in third place is the intellectual game called Rope. Probably some of you know it. Maybe even earlier they played with their parents. It's a fun little game where the idea is to create different patterns without getting the rope tangled up. It's really easy to make. You take a regular rope about 60 to 70 centimeters long and tie it in a knot. And that's it, guys, our game is ready. You can find a lot of different combinations of the game with this rope on the internet. So it shows the movements and different cool patterns. The point is not to get it tangled, guys, so the one who gets it tangled is the one who loses. This is a logical developmental toy, as you can see, made in just a few seconds with a regular rope. In my opinion, it's really cool. During our game I was able to create some pretty interesting patterns. Sometimes one, sometimes the other. In short, the game really draws in even adults. When you end up with something tangled and can't pull the thread out, it means you've lost. Well friends, if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of cool DIY projects and videos about fishing. Well, for those interested, the link to my top 3 spinners is in the description below this video. Good luck to you all, guys, and have a great summer.